I have just now joined. If necessary, you log out and re-log in. Then only I may be able to get the message. Please come. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, you're connecting. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
Where do you stay now?
So I stay in Shillong.
Oh, that is why you are also having like this kulla and all
Yes, sir.
that for chillness. Oh,
Yes.
Baba. Oh, good.
Too much cold here.
Too much cold. Yeah,
So,
very good. So, what is your degree?
sir, B in electronic communications.
Very good. You applied for which post? Network administrator or
Sir, I IT in IT support administrator.
IT support administrator?
Support administrator.
Right. What is the job you are doing now?
Sir, I am in BEL. My company is BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited,
Mhm.
and
What is the nature of work you are doing?
so my nature of work is for system installation, configuration, and product support, equipment support.
Mhm. Very good.
As I see in my notification, no?
Mm,
So my profile is match. That's why I apply here. Since
very
I
good.
am posted customer side,
Mhm.
so I responsible for the maintenance of the hardware and software.
Mhm.
So
Good.
similar profile in notification.
So very good. So you in what is your job role you expect in the Bank of Maharashtra? What do you think will be your job role in your Bank of Maharashtra? I think you have different Windows administrative officer, IT support. You are IT
IT
support.
IT support officer.
Very good.
Uh,
So IT support officer के लिए what is the work you have supposed to do? What do you think
सर
will be the job
मैं
that you have to
सर
perform?
मैं जो थिंक कर रहा हूँ जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो मेरा वर्क है जैसे कि आई एम a single point of contact for Air Force and BL Ghaziabad person, Bell person, as I am responsible for the all northeast region where the computer systems and IT hardware supplied by BEL. So I am responsible for maintain, install, configure as per IF requirement or as per BL requirement.
Very good. That's right. Now, which year did you complete your degree?
2013,
And how many years you have been working in this company?
more than 3 years, more
More
than
than three
three and a
years.
half years, 3.5 years.
Yeah. Now, what is the reason you would like to switch over to banking industry?
Mm, Actually, sir, in BEL, I am fixed term contract employee.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Oh, sir,
for
not on regular employee.
not a regular employee,
Mm,
uh, but I am on BEL payroll. And before join BEL, I written all India exam and
mm.
followed by interview. Since I am fixed term contract employee, so I am looking for a regular job.
Very good. So, what is the pay you are now getting? Is it more than what you will be getting in our Bank of Maharashtra, or less than what you will be getting in Bank of Maharashtra?
More than Bank of Maharashtra.
Really? Oh, Baba. Oh,
Actually, I am on 4140 pay scale. So my current basic is 44,000.
total salary will be somewhere around 70,000, 60,000.
Yes, around 70, 75, 70,000.
Oh, great, 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 great. But Are you contributing for National Provident Fund and all the NPS?
Not for MP, the Provident Fund for actually BL है itself PF,
Uh-huh. No,
not
uh,
for EPFO. BL है
EPF, yeah,
Owen Trust,
one trust, separate trust is there.
separate trust, Owen Trust.
So does it mean that you will be sent out after the contract? What is the number of years for which you have entered into contract?
Sir, as I joined for 5-year contract.
Oh,
So
how many
I
years
already
over?
completed.
3
I
years.
already completed more than 3 years, sir, since I joined April 2018 in BL.
So
So I
what is the company
More-
doing? Are they renewing the contract for people or not?
Actually, before COVID, they easily renew the contract. But after COVID, they launched some new. As I am a deputy engineer, but after COVID, company launched some new post like a project engineer, training engineer,
At a lower
or
pay, probably
at
low,
very lower pay, lower pay, not BL payroll, 35,000, 25,000. So
lump sum.
पर मंथ इतना ही है सर उन लोग का तो
अच्छा
तो न्यू पोस्ट लॉन्च किया है तो एक्चुअली मेरा प्रोजेक्ट तो फिर भी ठीक है तो फिर भी एक ये है कि रेगुलर जॉब बहुत ज्यादा बेटर है प्लस दूसरा प्राइमरी एक और बड़ा रीजन है आई पोस्टेड इन शिलोंग मेघालय एंड बिलोंग फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश
Acha. The reason why you want to come out of that is you want to probably you may get posting somewhere in the Madhya Pradesh or other states. But
सर एज आई थिंकिंग नाउ कि एटलीस्ट शिलोंग तो नहीं मिलेगा
yeah, मैं जरूर शिलांग में बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र शिलांग में है
मैं नेट पे सर्च किया था शिलोंग में एक ब्रांच है उसका
उनका है
हाँ एक ब्रांच
इसका मतलब ये नहीं है you have to be posted there. That's right. And good. Mostly you will be posted in Pune or some other places where they will be having requirement of more number of people for such works. Yeah, good. So what are the computer knowledge you have? What is the computer knowledge you have? You say your role is IT support administrator. So towards that, what is the various languages or hardware knowledge that you have, which may be of help for you in banking?
Sir, actually, I am working on the Linux system administrator. So I work on the Linux and network equipment. So actually, I also completed my CCNA certification by Cisco for network in networking and in routing and switching. And in my current job profile, all the system installed the Linux RHEL system, Linux system. So I am responsible. I am responsible for configure it to install new patch applications, new software, and new machine and virtualization of softwares. Actually, I am not my profile not for developing software. I am responsible for porting for installing software.
Installing software. Acha. You are not
maintain, monitor software application.
Yeah, you will not be responsible for creating of software and all that.
Actually, there is a different team, design and engineering in BL. They create the software and give bundle of software to us. And I am responsible. Actually, I have 4 to 5 people team of engineers. So I am responsible to port their software in individual machines by using some small programs. That's why operation can be fast.
What are the skills that are required for succeeding in this job that you are applying?
Sir,
yeah.
I am applying or I am currently working.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you are applying for this job. What are the skills that are required to succeed in this job?
एक्चुअली इसमें ऐसा कोई स्किल मेंशन नहीं है उसमें जो प्रोफाइल मेंशन है आईटी सपोर्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर तो मैंने जॉब प्रोफाइल के थ्रू गो थ्रू हुआ हूँ मैं, जो जॉब प्रोफाइल ने सर मेंशन किया हुआ है
हम्म,
उसमें यही मेंशन है कि जो भी फॉल्ट आएगा बैंक में,
हम्म,
क्लाइंट एंड में कोई फॉल्ट आएगा
हम्म,
उसको हमें ट्रबल शूट करना है, एनालाइज करना है और
हम्म,
उसे रिजॉल्व करना है। तो अभी
हम्म,
सिमिलर हमारा यही है एक्चुअली। आई एम पोस्टेड इन शिलोंग, तो
हम्म,
यहाँ पे जो सर्विस मैनेजर है उसमें नंबर ऑफ फॉल्ट हमें आईएफ की साइड से मिलते हैं, उन्हें
हम्म,
हमें सॉर्ट आउट करवाना होता है।
हम्म,
या फिर कोई न्यू सिस्टम लॉन्च हुआ है, न्यू न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर लॉन्च है या फिर कुछ
हम्म,
सिस्टम अपग्रेडेशन है, वो
हम्म,
हमें पोर्ट करवाना होता है।
हम्म,
जैसे हमने नोटिफिकेशन में जो लिखा था कि कुछ
हम्म.
नया नया एप्लीकेशन कॉन्फ़िगर करना है, वो करना
Yeah. Can you tell us about the difficult project you have taken so far?
है। डिफिकल्ट प्रोजेक्ट एक्चुअली सर
No, no,
मेरा जो
actually, whatever questions I am asking can be asked for any interview also, any post. These questions are asked to find out, are you happy about yourself? Are you confident about your job performance? This is what is being tested. अभी एक क्वेश्चन पूछने से तो आप किसी का किसी जॉब का डिटेल्स बताना है by which you make them understand you are satisfied about your performance. समझ गया?
सर मेरे को एक आंसर है सर मेरे पास।
इसका
एक
इसका आंसर you must only be able to tell me some of the responsibilities you have done where you have done it in a very nice manner.
सर जैसे कि मेरे पास एग्जांपल है इसका।
वह
जैसे कि
बताइए।
लास्ट लास्ट
ब-
लास्ट ईयर ड्यूरिंग कोविड पीरियड,
हम्म,
कहीं भी इंजीनियर्स अवेलेबल नहीं थे बाकी साइटों पे,
हम्म,
क्योंकि सिंस मेरी कंपनी का बाकी साइट भी है,
हम्म,
मतलब लखनऊ भी है, बैंगलोर भी है, दिल्ली भी है।
हम्म,
बाकी साइटों पे जब इंजीनियर्स अवेलेबल नहीं थे,
हम्म,
देन आई then I
हम्म,
go itself in Air Force Station and I
हम्म,
stay 5 months in Air Force Station and
हम्म,
provide to support my client
हम्म,
for operations for operation. Since it's a live system, no, sir.
हम्म,
Every day IF person use it and operate it.
हम्म,
So I support to my client
हम्म.
to maintain my system, to upgrade my system
Who was
during
who
last year
was
COVID.
who was your client? That BEML.
IF,
Huh?
India Air Force.
Oh, Indian Air Force. Oh, good, 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 good. Yeah.
सर एक्चुअली ये क्या है, लाइव सिस्टम है ना,
हम्म,
आईएफ को तो अपना ऑपरेशन करना ही है डेली।
हम्म,
तो लास्ट ईयर क्या हुआ था, कोविड के टाइम में कोई बंदा अवेलेबल नहीं था।
हम्म,
देन देन माय सीटीओ इज द चीफ टेक्निकल ऑफिसर इन द
हम्म,
आईएफ साइट,
हम्म,
रिक्वेस्ट मी कि आप अंदर आ जाओ एयरफोर्स स्टेशन में। तो
हम्म,
मैं 5 मंथ शिफ्ट हुआ था और
हम्म.
मैंने अपना सपोर्ट दिया था ये।
Achha, do you know about the products of bank? What are the products bank is offering? You may not know because ये पहले आपको जानना जरूरी है. Whenever we go to any institution, we must know about that bank's products. Like banks are dealing with deposit products, banks are dealing with loan products, and those things are being entered into the system. And for maintenance of system, you are going. But they may not ask you full details. However, broad details about what are the various deposit schemes banks offer. आप अपना बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र वेबसाइट जाके देखने से पता हो जाएगा.
ओके
Like
सर,
savings bank, current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit. समझ गया?
समझ गया सर।
इसके अलावा लोन्स में banks are giving loans for various purposes, that is for education loan, agricultural loan, then for say housing loan, then for say MSME loans, etc. But आपका काम क्या है? It is you are only responsible for seeing that things are maintained properly in the system wise. समझ गया? फिर भी
ओके
आपको about बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र का बारे में जानना जरूरी है. Who is the
सर।
MD? Who is the chairman and MD of Bank of Maharashtra? Hello, you don't know. You
ना
don't know.
सर,
Please, you have to know about these things. Then,
ओके
where is the headquarters? Pune.
पुणे पुणे।
Yeah, yeah. How many branches are
एक्चुअली
there? Yeah.
एक्चुअली सर मैं बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र के थ्रू गो थ्रू हुआ ही नहीं, अभी मैंने देखा ही नहीं है, मतलब वो
Oh,
देखना
पढ़
है।
एक बार
नाउ
पढ़
इट इज
लो.
माय बिग पॉइंट सर।
एक बार पूरा पढ़ लीजिए, possibly next time when we meet we can know also. अच्छा,
Sure,
अभी
sure,
हम
sure.
टेक्निकली पूछ रहा हूँ, अभी बताइए what is BIOS, BIOS?
So BIOS is a basic input output system of any operating of all operating system.
Hmm.
Since it's a firmware,
Hmm.
it is a firmware
Hmm.
required to run operating system.
Hmm.
Since it like a kernel, since our kernel, uh, our kernel, our kernel, mm, our kernel request, our kernel interface with hardware via BIOS.
Hmm.
In
BIOS,
operating system
BIOS expansion क्या है? Basic और क्या बोला आपने?
basic input output system.
Oh, that's all. Very good, very good. Correct. Okay. Then, what would you not? Why you would not restore a DC that was lost backed up 8 months ago? I don't know. Oh, I think it is something technical question for you. Why would you not restore a DC that was last backed up 8 months ago? इसका क्या आंसर होगा? पता नहीं. आप नोट कर लीजिए, आप नोट कर लीजिए.
सर डीसी एक्चुअली एक तो जो मेरा करंट प्रोजेक्ट है उसमें डीसी डीआर के दो एक सेंटर सिस्टम्स होते हैं इसमें डेटा रेप्लिकेट होता है तो ये डीसी उसी सेंस में है क्या?
Why would you not restore a DC that was last backed up 8 months ago? उसका पहले एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, what is the most frustrating support issue you have been called to resolve? वो तो बता दिया, but
मैंने जो आंसर दिया है
but even that is not directly related to the technical side. टेक्निकल साइड में देना है. आपने जो दिया तो ओके, दैट इज एन आंसर फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू, बट टेक्निकली आप आंसर करवाना है उसका.
तो टेक्निकली जैसे कि जो मैंने अभी कंट्रीब्यूट किया है जैसे कि आई वर्क ऑन द सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम दैट नेम इज RRO since it have to install many of location. I have to create my task is I have to create 50 servers and around 500 clients. So it is it's a very time consuming job, so I create a script for the server installation and for the client installation. By this script this work is 90% time is saved during installation.
गुड.
तो मैं उस स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में बता सकता हूँ कि मैंने जो लिखा था.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. यू प्लीज टेल दैट विल बी गुड. यहाँ पर दिया है how to prepare for this. You have to refresh on your fundamentals, do your homework on modern tools and technologies, latest क्या है उसका बारे में. Then also prepare to discuss about evolutionary trends. आगे क्या आने वाला उसका बारे में डिस्कस करना तैयार हो जाइए. Be ready to offer details on your skills and previous work and the staples of system administrator interviews, how a particular technology or system served a business goal. Likewise, these are all totally related to your subject. ठीक है, उसको आप प्रिपेयर हो जाइए. इसका अलावा जनरल क्वेश्चंस दे कैन आस्क यू इज से
एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर
टेल मी.
एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं भी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हूँ, मतलब मुझे
you are not given satisfactory answer. You are yourself telling.
I am thinking myself, sir. As I answer, since I am a contract employee, that's why I join bank.
That is okay. You are switching over.
This is the true answer. This is the true answer. पर ऐसा कोई पॉलिश आंसर देना चाहिए या फिर
no, you are switching. Polished answer can be you are switching over from this job to that job because this is a contract job and it will be over in 2 years and you need a permanent job. and a banking offers a permanent job. Further, it offers challenging job opportunities with career growth, because banking is an institution that is growing always, and there will be good scope for career growth. And besides that, banking is a prestigious job. So, but then when you say like this, if they want to cross examine, they will say, अरे भाई, आप तो अभी 75,000 लेके आ रहे हैं, इधर we are going to pay you 50,000, 25,000 रुपया कम पेमेंट करेगा, आप कैसे खुशी रहेंगे? They will ask. But your main concern is, अभी मेरे को ये बात चाहिए, I want a permanent, I want to settle in life.
Correct, sir.
That is the
Sir,
bit.
this is the
You can tell
this
as
is
a main reason, nothing wrong.
no.
When you
ये
speak,
सर मेन रीजन था, पर
when
मैं
you
एक्चुअली सोच रहा कि वर्ड नहीं लगे,
no,
मतलब
no, when you speak a true answer, it will be accepted. It will not be rejected. It will be accepted, because and they would like to know whether you have computer knowledge, whether you have the ability to get into banking knowledge. Banking knowledge, banking में कैसे काम चल रहा है, इसका बारे में आप जान के आया नहीं आया? What is core banking solution?
वो सर बैंकिंग में जीरो है मेरा मामला.
थोड़ा पढ़ना है जी. What is core banking solution?
कोर बैंक मैं नोट कर लेता हूँ सर.
See, core banking solution is a solution through which the main server of the bank is connected to the branch servers. All the branch servers are interconnected. From the branch server, the separate lines, LAN work through LAN, these are interconnected. What are the way? They can also ask you simple questions. What are the various
तो
types
सर
of?
फिर इसका कोर जो सर्वर होगा वो केवल हेडक्वार्टर में ही होगा या फिर कोई जोन में होता है?
Headquarters में होगा. Core banking,
सिमिलर
it will be in Pune. Your headquarters, where the main server of the bank will be there, and the main server of the bank will be connected to the branch server, possibly through possibly through internet.
ओके. अभी सर जो मेरा करंट प्रोजेक्ट है
इसका बारे में आप पढ़ना है. You please go through the internet to find out how the core banking solution in banks work. If I search in Google, core banking system working in banks in India. 1 minute.
Okay.
Because each interview is different, Here, when I come here, what is meant by the system of core banking in India? It is a centralized system of network made by a bank and its branches. It allows customers to access their bank accounts to manage and perform basic transactions. आप पूरा पढ़ना है जी. यहाँ पर questions दिया है. How does CBS work in banks?
easily समझ में आ भी जाएगा.
Which CBS is used in SBI? SBI is using TCS, BANCS, Tata Consultancy Services banks. In some banks, they are using Infosys, Finacle. Infosys, what are the core banking operations? Core banking can be defined as a कुछ नहीं है. आप खाली अपना google.com में जाइएगा, जाके उसमें से कोर बैंकिंग सिस्टम वर्किंग इन बैंक्स इन इंडिया ऐसा डालिए.
सर एक्चुअली ये मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा इजीली, क्योंकि अभी जो मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है उसमें भी एक सेंट्रल प्रोसेसर है, वो दिल्ली में है, CDPS, सेंट्रल डेटा प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम, एंड देयर आर द 9 node that take data from CDPS and node to node also, and replicate data to agencies. Suppose Tejpur Air Force Station,
Hmm,
Guwahati Air Force Station. So
hmm,
similarly, you are telling that there is a core server and the
hmm,
branch server
hmm,
and replicate data to customer. हमारे
hmm,
customer airport से तो हम node से data हम
hmm.
Air Force
अच्छा,
Station में replicate करते
I think you have to watch my videos for IT related people. अभी
Okay.
कैनरा बैंक में भी IT इंटरव्यू हुआ था. कैनरा
Okay.
बैंक IT इंटरव्यू में क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछा उसमें से देख लीजिए, वो सबको रख के आप सर्च करके पढ़ना है.
ठीक है.
You have to prepare which is the best core banking software.
Okay.
Of course, in India, it is Infosys Finacle, but throughout the world, देखने से तो Temenos, there is one Temenos. ये सब what Google is telling us only.
Okay.
Okay, which bank is using FlexCube software? Oracle, like you must
Oracle
be
database.
which is better, Finacle or FlexCube? Finacle is from Infosys, whereas FlexCube is from Oracle. Both are banking softwares. FlexCube has got higher market share and is being used by banks worldwide, whereas Finacle is being used mostly in India and Middle East. ये सबका बारे में अब पढ़ना है जी.
समझ गया सर मैं.
समझ
जो
गया?
बैंकिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है वो समझना है. एक
हम्म.
कोर बैंकिंग सॉल्यूशन आप जो बता रहे हो कि किस डेटा का फ्लो हो रहा है
This
सेंट्रल
alone,
सर्वर से.
this alone is not sufficient. You must be able to know about how ATMs are interconnected. They are connected through national switch. इसका बारे में
ATM.
नोट कर ले. ATM, how ATMs are interconnected. That they are connected through, there is one corporation known as National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI.
Okay.
And they only have made this Beam app and all that, and also this national switch. A national switch ka through में ये in all the ATMs are interconnected. एक बैंक का ATM is connected to the server of दूसरा बैंक also.
हाँ.
इसका
किसी बैंक
बारे,
के ATM से
हाँ,
निकाल
इसका बारे में आप पढ़ना है. How the concept of debit card works, how the concept of credit card works, ये सब आप जानना जरूरी है. Technically prepare कर दीजिए. Hereafter you must be thinking only about banks. Bank of Maharashtra website पूरा पढ़ना है, whether you follow or not पढ़ना है. You may not follow, फिर भी वहाँ क्या दिया है, KYC करके कुछ दिया हुआ है. KYC क्या है? You can't say I don't know your customer.
बस हाँ, नो योर कस्टमर तो कॉमन है.
So थोड़ा वो सब पढ़ना है. आप only बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र वेबसाइट देके उसमें से पूरा पढ़ के आ जाइए. देन आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेगा जिसको आप आंसर कर सकते हैं. Now I have told you why, while you have first you have to manage confidently questions on what is the job you are doing, what is the job role you are doing, what is the nature of work you are doing, what are the achievements made by you in your present job. Why do you think you are suitable for our bank job? What are the qualities you have that are suitable for this bank job? And what do you know about our bank? In what way you will fit into our banking system?
Okay.
समझ गया?
तो इनके आंसर्स क्या होंगे कि कैसे सुटेबल?
You have to prepare. See, for example, first, but पहले questions you can manage. Your job, your role you can manage.
Yes.
And regarding बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, आप बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र वेबसाइट में जाके आप पढ़ने के बाद में एक साथ हमारा पास बैठने से तो हम और थोड़ा ऐड करके आपको बोल सकते हैं. I can tell you what banks are doing, but if I start talking, it may take number of hours. वो तो पूरा पढ़ना तो
बहुत
मुश्किल है.
ज्यादा हो जाएगा, सही
But
बात, वो
I
मुझे ही
want
पढ़ना
I want you to know only technical aspect of it. So I will give you a link where you study about computers, how they are I will I will attach some files to you in your WhatsApp, which can,
Okay, sir.
or I will are you a member of my Telegram group?
नो सर.
No.
तो वन एक मेरा फ्रेंड भी है, उसका भी बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र में नेटवर्क के लिए क्वालिफाई हुआ है, तो वो भी आपसे कांटेक्ट करने का बोल रहा
Acha, he also
था. अनुपम मिश्रा.
Mishra. Yeah.
अनुपम मिश्रा.
AK Mishra, correct. Yeah.
हाँ.
So now the point is you join our Telegram group, because whatever I want to give, I will give you there, and it will be of use for others also. एक साथ में हो जाएगा. Otherwise, I have to attach in your WhatsApp. एक आदमी का
नहीं
separate.
मैं आई विल जॉइन सर. एक्चुअली
Yeah.
मैं टेलीग्राम यूज नहीं करता था, पर मैं इंस्टॉल करूंगा.
Telegram यूज कर दीजिए. Telegram 72020 SIVA अभी देता है इसमें.
Okay.
72020 एक ग्रुप है. दूसरा है एक दूसरा आपको
एक्चुअली इसमें ये आंसर है क्या? जैसे आपने बोला कि व्हाई वी हायर यू इन बैंक, यू आर इन वर्किंग इन PSU public sector unit.
you are working in public sector undertaking, of course, because your job, you had the required qualifications, you are working there, and now you want to come here because this is going to improve your future. This is going
Yes.
to make you settled in, and you are joining scale 1. You could have applied for scale 2 post, some scale 2 post. Why did you not apply Windows administrator scale 2? Probably you don't have product support engineer scale 2, network and
Actually sir,
security
actually
administrator.
sir, correct, you are correct sir, you are right sir. Actually sir, Windows 7 administrator is profile is fully matched is with my current profile. Have the VM virtual machine creation.
But number of vacancies less.
No sir, I applied for both.
Acha, both can you apply?
सर मैंने बहुत अप्लाई कर दिया था, दोनों अप्लाई किए थे. एक का मेरा एडमिट कार्ड आया ही नहीं, एक का आया था रिटर्न के लिए.
दूसरे का आया नहीं, that is Windows administrator का आया नहीं. I think they have a system, they will allow you only one, you can apply for one post.
Okay, मैंने दोनों के लिए अप्लाई कर दिया था.
एडवर्टाइजमेंट में देखिए whether you can apply for both posts. I'm not sure.
नहीं वो एक के लिए ही करना था. मैंने एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखा था बाद में.
एक ही है.
हाँ एक ही था. मैंने क्वेरी भी किया था, मेरा एडमिट कार्ड नहीं आया.
कोई बात नहीं. So now
अभी सर मैं I am also applying for Central Bank of India.
Oh,
for scale 2 IT manager.
Very good. Please apply.
So I have 6 year experience in IT and telecom.
So you are eligible for scale 2. My question is, you are applying for a lower post, and at the same time, your knowledge of banking, what is done in banking, is not adequate.
No sir, मुझे पता ही नहीं है क्या होता है.
So इसलिए हम क्या करेगा, I will attach some computer knowledge books to you. Computer knowledge books, उसमें से advanced level whatever is needed आप थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. But and also make a thorough search in Google for your job roles and your questions on that. उसका बारे में पूरा पढ़ लो जी. And also watch my
टेक्निकल का मैं मेरे फ्रेंड से पढ़ लूंगा. मतलब बाकी यहाँ पे कई सारे सीनियर्स है, बट मेरा एक फ्रेंड अभी SBI SO बना है,
उनसे पूछ लीजिए.
हाँ तो उसने कुछ टॉपिक्स बताए मुझे. एक्चुअली मैंने उसको प्रोफाइल बताया था IT इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का, तो उसने बताया कुछ टॉपिक्स दिए हैं मुझे. प्लस यहाँ पे कई सारा टेक्निकल का ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल तो मुझे मिल जाएगा मेरे ऑफिस साइड से. तो टेक्निकल का मुझे इतना लोड नहीं है.
Now regarding general interview में, general interview questions, why should we select you? What makes you think you are suitable for this post? How do you think you will be suitable for this? And how do you imagine yourself 5 years from now? What are the leadership roles you have demonstrated so far? Likewise, these questions. All these questions are aimed at testing your confidence. That's all.
एक सर मुझे इसमें अपना एक वीक पॉइंट लगता है कि सपोज मुझे किसी के बारे में, किसी टॉपिक के बारे में 30% पता है ओवरऑल, पर मुझे कभी लगता है मेरा वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन की वजह से जो
No,
काम
you are talking nicely.
Okay.
You are talking very well. Your voice is heard very well. You are going to attend interview also like this only through internet. You are not going to sit in the presence of the person. They have told you have to go to zonal office. From zonal office, they will connect you to the main to the bank, to the interviewer. It will be like this only. But there will be 3 people sitting or 4 people sitting. आपका हांक में डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. आपका हांक में your anxiety should not be seen.
Correct.
These are the things. ये मन में रख लीजिए and ये दाढ़ी वगैरह थोड़ा properly
सेव कर लेगा, शेव करेगा
properly करके जाना है. Otherwise, you are smiling and you are doing very well. But I suggest I will give you some links in our Telegram books. उसको देख लीजिए. I will give you only one link which is useful for general PO. उसमें से you take only computer knowledge. There are so many materials in that. Can you read Hindi?
Sir, I am well in Hindi than
English also. Okay, I will give you both materials are there. उसमें से जो आपको
मुझे
सुविधा
कभी ये भी एक वीक पॉइंट लग रहा था कि I am not more good in English.
then Hindi में
It can be an also weak point.
you can talk in Hindi. In Bank of Maharashtra, they permit people to speak in Hindi also, चाहिए तो. But as a computer man, mostly you will be talking. आपका बैंक का अंदर में जाने से तो आप हिंदी में बात करेंगे.
नहीं सर, no sir, I will attend in English.
No, you are talking very well, better than normal persons. You are talking, your standard is good. English wise, your standard is good. That is because I am seeing thousands of candidates. I know them. So your standard is good. Chinta mat karo.
Actually, sir,
but I am only worried your knowledge of systems available in banking
no, sir,
is
I don't
not. इसको पढ़ना है. थोड़ा आपका जान पहचान फ्रेंड से पूछ लीजिएगा. Okay, please. Very good. This link हमने दे दिया 72020. Join कर लीजिए. I have already.
It's for Telegram link. 72020 is your channel code.
Telegram link 72020 Telegram link. उसमें आ जाइए. No. And I think I have to give you Canara Bank. Whatever questions I have asked people. Network
Yes,
administrator, so many things. It may not be directly relevant, but everything will be related to computer. सुन लीजिए. समझिए. That is the thing. Okay. But go with confidence. आपको जरूर select हो जाएगा. No. They will select you. अरे भाई, you are a person with much more experience. Why should they will be very happy to take you? But you should not feel frustrated after joining. That is what is more important. आपने lawyer post में join करके आपको मन में दुख नहीं होना चाहिए. This post is normally.
If I got, मुझे अगर regular job मिले, वो उसमें अगर मेरा 30% भी अगर 30,000 भी अगर down हो ना, then I will happy. Yes, I posted in Northeast and I belong from Madhya Pradesh.
You want to come out.
I belong from Madhya Pradesh. It is more than 2,000 kilometers from my hometown.
I understand.
And it's too hectic.
They can ask you all these years why you have not tried banking. There is no answer.
अभी तक मैं PSU में ही खुश था, but मेरा बैड लक है कि मुझे शिलोंग पोस्टिंग दे दिया और पोस्टिंग लेने के बाद वापस बुला भी नहीं रहे.
No, but if you had a liking for banking, after 4 years back you could have applied, 3 years back you could have applied. Why did you not do it? थोड़ा आंसर रेडी कर दीजिए.
Sir, actually, my first job in ITI Limited, and I posted in Srinagar.
Oh, Baba.
I posted.
Always that's
I
okay.
posted in Srinagar,
Hmm.
and I worked around 2 years in too much worst condition. You may know, sir, the Burhan Bani case in 2015. I am present in Srinagar, and I work with the Indian Army for communication network, a telecom project of Indian Army. I work in this. Then after I on gate basis I joined Railway Casting Company Limited, Kolkata Metro project.
Hmm.
तो उस टाइम पे मेरा प्रोफाइल मतलब ये था कि मैं एसएनटी में जाऊंगा, कोलकाता मेट्रो है तो रेलवे सिग्नल टेलीकॉम में चला जाऊंगा. बट आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग बीईएल मेरा पूरा प्रोफाइल आईटी का हो गया.
Hmm.
आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉलेशन, ओएस इंस्टॉलेशन, एप्लीकेशन पोर्टिंग, सिस्टम अपग्रेडेशन. तो फिर मुझे लगा कि आईटी का है तो एसओआईटी भी रिलेटेड है, सेम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, तो इसमें स्विच कर सकते हैं. प्लस अब एक्चुअली मेरा डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 1992, so I reaching towards 30, so I think it's the around last chance for me.
अभी समझ गया. You started worrying because you are covering 30 years age.
Correct, sir.
But that is not the answer.
नहीं किया सर मैंने वो भी अप्लाई.
No, but why did you not apply earlier? But and also that is okay. At least there is no answer for that. Now, after having come here, in what way have you associated more with banking? You must associate more with banking का बारे में जानना जरूरी है. Who is the RBI governor now?
मैं करता हूँ एडी सर.
Shaktikanta Das.
शक्तिकांत दास. हाँ हाँ हाँ, शक्तिकांत दास.
What was the important thing happened in RBI yesterday? RBI monetary policy.
Okay.
उसका बारे में I have posted a video also today. So
I will see, sir. I will see.
Yeah,
I will see that.
Isamapi, you must come into banking fold.
Correct.
उसको ready हो
So I
जाइए.
have to know about the banking system and what is the current affair in banking. What it?
Current affair, something related to technical also.
Technique, correct.
They can कुछ नहीं है. They can ask a tough question to you. What do you think will be the position of technicality in India in banking after 10 years? No answer. समझ गया?
वो मेरे फ्रेंड ने बोला था, बोले कुछ क्वेश्चन तुमसे ऐसे पूछेंगे जिसका कुछ आंसर होता ही नहीं है या फिर हम बता नहीं पाएंगे.
Correct.
तो उसमें हमें सॉरी ही बोलना है, उन्हें उलझाना नहीं है.
They will ask. अरे भाई, I am going to ask you. What do you think will be the position of banking 20 years का बाद में? ये तो easy. 20 years का बाद में आप जरूर होगा, but banking का position क्या? Who can predict? अरे can anyone?
Nobody can predict, sir.
But
Before 20 years.
But इसमें क्या बोलना है? You must talk in a positive way and say, बिल्कुल बढ़िया हो जाएगा. बैंकिंग बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा और पूरा कंप्यूटराइज हो जाएगा. इंडिया बहुत बड़ा कंट्री हो जाए. लाइक दैट यू शुड ऐड.
तो टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में कि IoT एंड
अच्छा बात बोल
लर्निंग विल.
अच्छा बात बोल रहा है. ठीक है. बेस्ट विशेस. थैंक यू. बट दिस इज आई हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड द क्लास and I will give you the link for the materials. From that you take computer materials only, and in that computer materials also, whatever you feel that is not related to network, leave it, go for other things, concentrate on network. If you have some other book relating to network administrator or support administration, please go through that also. Okay. Maybe you may need about a week's time. Prepare for 1 week, and after 1 week, if you want, we can meet again. It's a different issue.
Sure.
Yeah, and in which case you need to pay only 100 rupees. आगे क्या?
Sure.
occasions may you pay 100 rupees only. We can discuss. And in the meantime, I will post the links of आप भी नोट कर लीजिए मेरा YouTube में जाके कैनरा बैंक system admin, or I will attach the link in our Telegram so that you can see that. Okay. I have posted lot of links in our Telegram. उसका अंदर में आप जाने से तो आपको बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा. I have been catering to both SBI, CBO and yourself also. Bank of Maharashtra is coming. Similarly, SBI, CBO is also coming. So I have been posting a lot of things. Please watch them and take notes and improve. But don't tell me I am not having time. There is no excuse.
No, sir. It is it is my job. It is for my career. I have to take time for this.
Please prepare. Thank you.
सर एक सर एक क्वेश्चन था सर
हम्म।
जैसे कि बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं कि एमएच के बंदे को प्रेफर मिलेगा मैं तो
हाँ?
मध्य प्रदेश से हूँ
Bank of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. You want
No,
Madhya
no.
Pradesh?
I am from Madhya Pradesh, so it will give prefer to MH people only, Maharashtra people only, or
No.
my
Sorry.
friends telling me that
No. ऐसा नहीं है. See,
ऐसा नहीं
recently I conducted interview
मुझे
for
तो मराठी
12.
भी नहीं आती सर
I conducted interview for 12 people for Bank of Maharashtra. 6 people got selected, and most of them were not from Maharashtra. Tamil Nadu, many people have joined. So don't worry. चिंता मत करो.
मेरे थोड़े मुझे अपने ऐसा लगा था कि ये मेरे वीक पॉइंट्स है
नहीं. अरे भाई, you are 100% suitable because you know Hindi. Hindi you know,
हाँ
and you are good in.
yeah, I know Hindi
Yeah.
and
you are-
I also
yeah,
speak in English.
Yeah, you can speak very well in English. No problem. Take
But
care.
actually, my up to 12th background in Hindi only. I am from Hindi medium.
कोई बात नहीं.
But last 4 years working with Air Force. So
Your
most of
English
the
is
people,
your English.
officer taught me.
Your English is good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, best wishes. I will. You join the group and not see the.
एक sir एक last doubt, sir.
Uh,
About the Bank of Maharashtra, I will go through the website of the Bank of Maharashtra.
website only.
But you,
No,
but
nowhere.
you are, but you,
Yeah.
you are also asking the question of the HR question like that. Why you hire you? And
I will give you the
sir,
question.
I have wrote.
I will give the questions. Questions only I can give you. I can't give the answers. Answers are separate for each one. That is coming under most common interview questions.
सर इसका कुछ सैंपल आंसर है क्या
Sample
ऐसा नहीं हो कि कुछ में आंसर
sample answer is it should exhibit your confidence, it should exhibit your knowledge, it should exhibit you are eager to join. That's all.
Okay.
That's all. There is no the correct answer for such questions. You can say anything. You can say anything, but you must try to give a proper answer. You must be careful, not tell only about your strengths and not weaknesses. समझ गए? Good.
समझ गया सर
Anyhow, this is a longer session, so we will close this at this stage, but much of it preparation on your part. One, probably by going through some of my videos or probably going through online google.com से search करके prepare कर दीजिए. Okay, best wishes. You are done well. You are done well only, no problem. You will be selected, no doubt.
थैंक यू सर
Best wishes. Thank you.
मैं आपने जो टॉपिक से बताया रेडी करता हूँ सर
Prepare कर दीजिए. And you are also talk to your friends in other banks in IT line. That will be more useful.
सर एक्चुअली मेरा फ्रेंड ऑलरेडी वर्किंग है ही इसमें तो उससे पूछता रहता हूँ लास्ट बैक ही वो गया है पीएल से
उनसे पूछ लीजिए आपको और भी अच्छा इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सकता है. Best wishes. My knowledge is by my talking to so many IT boys, girls. Last time one State Bank of India, one girl got selected. So many people get selected.
Okay.
It happens. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Oh, good morning, sir.
For me, good morning.